The first anniversary image from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope displays star birth like it's never been seen before. The subject is the Rho Ophiuchi cloud complex, the closest star-forming region to Earth. It is a relatively small, quiet stellar nursery, but you'd never know it from Webb's chaotic close-up. Jets bursting from young stars crisscross the image, impacting the surrounding interstellar gas and lighting up molecular hydrogen, shown in red. Some stars display the telltale shadow of a circumstellar disk, the makings of future planetary systems. The Rho Ophiuchi cloud complex, also known as the Rho Oph cloud complex, is a vast region of interstellar gas and dust located in the constellation Ophiuchus, which is visible from Earth. It is a prominent example of a dark nebula, a dense cloud that obscures the light from stars and other celestial objects behind it. The complex is situated near the bright star Rho Ophiuchi, from which it gets its name. It spans across a large area of the sky and consists of several individual dark clouds, as well as reflection and emission nebulae. These clouds are primarily composed of molecular hydrogen, along with other molecules and tiny solid particles. The young stars at the center of many of these disks are similar in mass to the Sun, or smaller. The heftiest in this image is the star S1, which appears amid a glowing cave it is carving out with its stellar winds in the lower half of the image. The lighter-colored gas surrounding S1 consists of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, a family of carbon-based molecules that are among the most common compounds found in space.